A high reliability cadmium replacement, Tin Zinc J-Plating from Amphenol-Air LB Germany. Hi, I'm Max Kalick, Internal Applications Engineer with PEI Genesis, and today we are going to explore the Tin Zinc J-Plating connectors from Amphenol-Air LB Germany. Following the adherence to VG standards, cadmium-plated versions have been phased out for new designs since December 31st, 2018 due to their toxicity levels. Amphenol-Air LB Germany has developed their Tin Zinc J-Plating in close collaboration with defense industry experts to meet the demands of the future. This new VG standard is for defense and equipment and aligned with European DIN-EN standards. These address the rigorous technical and techno-economic requirements of the defense sector. J-plating features a tin zinc-coated electrically conductive shield connection system, offering the same corrosion resistance, conductivity, and shielding capabilities as cadmium. They have endured 5 days of cycling salt spray testing and meet or exceed all VG performance requirements. J-plating was developed for military vehicles, heavy-duty machinery, and harsh industrial environments. It is RoHS and REACH compliant with a matte gray, non-reflective finish and unparalleled performance. Tin Zinc J-Plating is an ideal solution for ultra-harsh environments. For more information on Tin Zinc J-Plating, please contact us using the following information. Amphenol-Air LB Germany, innovating for today, securing tomorrow.